Hello everyone and welcome back for another Microgreens episode. Today I'm going to show you how to sanitize and germinate your broccoli microgreens. And sometimes there's a little bit of confusion about whether you should sanitize seeds this small and start germination in water. And the answer is absolutely yes, you should. You should always sanitize your seeds. So the brand that I have here is Rainbow Heirloom Seed Company. So far a great company that I've been using now. This one is Waltham 29 broccoli, and this is what we're going to be using. What I have here is a scale so I can measure out the amount of seeds I'm going to use, and a cup measure so after I'm finished measuring out the seeds, I can use it to measure my warm hot water, which I will be using to dilute my apple cider vinegar, which is going to be sanitizing these seeds. The only other things I have on the table here is my jar that's going to be putting everything into, my tablespoon measure, a rubber band, and a paper towel, or you can use a cheesecloth, just something that you can put over top that's going to allow a little bit of air, but not what you don't want in there. And so let's go ahead and get started. For what I'm going to be planting, I'm going to be measuring out about 1/4 a cup of these seeds. And that right there is about 1.15 grams on the scale, is 1/4 a cup. Now I can pour these into the jar. Next, I can use my cup measure to find out how much water is going to be in this jar. The solution that we're using is for every 1 to 2 cups water, we're going to be using 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar. We just see how much we get. So there's 1 cup. Gives us 2 cups. And about 1/2 cup of more is good. You don't have to fill it all the way to the top because it will overflow if you pour in your apple cider vinegar. And we definitely don't want that. So because I have 2.5 cups, I'm going to be doing about 2.5 tablespoons of vinegar. And I'm just going to stir it a little bit, kind of agitate the seeds, make sure it's soaking all over them where I want it to. And put the lid back on. Alright, now what we're going to do is put the cover over, seal it with the rubber band, and we're going to wait 15 minutes, and I will show you what the next step is in 15 minutes. Alright, now that it's been 15 minutes, we can go ahead and strain these seeds. There we go. There you have it. We can carefully put them back into the jar as best as we can. Now you can fill your cup back up with water, and it's going to be warm hot, not hot, just like warm hot, not too hot to the touch, not going to burn your hands. Go ahead and replace your paper towel or cheesecloth, and you're going to let that sit overnight into the morning, or you could do about anywhere from 8 to 12 hours, whatever time you're using. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.